Welcome my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic is on project management and the topic is very important, 3 ways to reduce project management cost. Very important topic. I am going to explain you 3 ways how can we reduce the project management cost, which is a very important aspect in today's world. You can see a lot of projects, there are a lot of cost overruns, and let us look at one by one. Managing and optimizing project budget is a continuous process, and as a project one has to avoid cost overruns right on the project. That's the whole objective, because we cannot have cost overruns on the project. Now there are 3 ways to reduce project management cost. There are 3 important ways. First is identify and assign the right resource in the beginning of the project. That will give you a clear guideline, a realistic plan of the project. If you don't put the right person on the right job in the beginning, the plans will not be realistic, and you will spend a lot of time in extension of the project, spending a lot of time on the reworks, and that can actually impact the project management cost. So it's very important to identify the right guy, the right person, right resource in the beginning of the project, because if the beginning is not right, your project will not be smooth. If you invest good resources in the beginning, they will give you a proper plan based on their experience, based on their expertise. That will be a more or less realistic plan, right? So this is the first way of reducing project management cost. The second way is utilizing cost-effective global resources, by leveraging the matrix organization. Everybody knows what is matrix organization for highly skilled resources. This helps in reducing the project resource cost without compromising on quality. So you engage resources, you can have the access to global resources, use the matrix organization to find out the best resources for your project, because that will reduce a lot of wastage. If you try and experiment with different people who are not capable, different people who are not suitable for that role, he may be suitable for other thing, then you go on experimenting, and in the process you lose a lot of time. Time is equivalent to cost. The third important aspect is rigorous tracking of planned versus actual cost. This is very important. This has to be regularly done, so you know which are the spots where you are going wrong and you can take actions. Where you know which are the right way you are going, and you continue to do that right thing. So planned versus actual cost, the tracking, the monitoring is very important, without which you will land up in some big hole. So these are the 3 important ways of project management. I want to announce the project management courses which are available on the Class Plus. They are recently launched. The first one is project management importance. Very important course which gives you clear the fundamentals, the processes, the terminologies, and why mistakes, what are the reasons of mistakes in project management, all they are covered here. The second one is earned value management, particularly in HVAC or MEP domain, with an example is clearly described. The links for these courses are in the description box. The other 2 courses, again, one is related to HVAC. It is a risk management in HVAC projects, right from the sales to the closure of the project. All the risks are explained and the mitigations are also explained. And the right hand side picture on your screen is leadership in project management. Very important, because if you don't manage human resources on the project, it will have terrific impact on your project. So these are 4 courses available on the Class Plus application. You can download the application. You can find the link in the description box. Just click it and you can get the access, lifetime access for these courses. Hope you will take the actions and take a lot of benefit and give me feedback. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Please subscribe my channel. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajazkazi.com. Thank you very much.